Hello, welcome to Crafting with Pretty Science. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background, how to remove the white space off of this image. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we go to Trace and Detach right here. And then we're going to select this one because we're going to remove the outer one first. Select, and then I will cover it. Okay, and then I will increase my threshold until it's all yellow, like yellow. Okay, and then I will trace and detach. Wait a second. Okay, and then we will remove it. Your image should have a little bit of your trace out should have a little bit of the image. That means it traced it really well. Let me delete this. Okay, let's go back. If you want, you can select it, like trace it one more time. Okay. Okay, I think I'm good. Trace and detach one more time to get all the excessive white out, the white around it. Okay, you see the residue right there? Let me show you. See the residue? We're going to delete that too. Okay, now we're going to work on the inside. For the inside, we will be using this one. Trace by color. Select here. And here will be yellow. And then, let's go closer. And then we're going to, the tolerance, we're going to increase it. Increase it, that's so that it goes into all the excessive white. Yeah, real good right there. Okay, and now we're gonna trace and detach also. Okay, and then we can lift it from it. You see that? You see a little bit of the color around it. That means all the white is gone. Okay, and now you have your image with a remove background. So this is how you remove a background, like white background, from an image with these two. This is for the outside and this is more for the inside. Okay, thank you so much for watching.